me your boy Cause Intelligence. Please like, subscribe, share my video like this. So guys, it's been a long time longer trophy guys, cause ish the guys. So happy here again. Otherwise, I'm here with
BRB James, you know, on all socials. James Money on Facebook. 2 accounts.
2 accounts guys, okay. Kapin so in seven say now cool like yours.
James Money.
James Man. Whip app girl.
Facebook James Money and then Instagram BRB James.
Oh.
Ed.
And so Kapileka I think ba?
BRB James.
Okay.
BRB stands for business is business.
Also business for so when a business for businesses uzipha ucala like babies.
Babies, you are. Nobody's per 4.
4. Why bro? Like abantu like fitsabo like abethes wezakhe bo exena ababheje kabantu bathanda babies. Siyatripha mos.
Ani nqoba impahla tan trip.
But unxiba zampahla silala amajita afoni yase New York.
Nje nginxiba style tan
So style nesiya. So sensiba ke wena James mfethu la majita anxiba zawe anazi babies. Ukhona wena ukucala babies?
Lingatsho ta. Anothi ndikhona.
So
azamele.
There's only one way to find out.
There's only one way.
Okay, so Ibra, Cecil, Anje yabo. Funke sprove lo way accuse ba yabo. Tsamli khona na. Oh hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. So okay. Uzava pha kulo mfana yabo. Jambas.
Okay, Jambas. Oh no. Hi, Mas.
Hello.
Jan.
Ndiyaphila njani?
I'm good. So I'm James. What's yours?
Tato.
Tato. What does that stand for?
Hmm?
What does that stand for?
Intando.
Indando. Tato stands for Indando. What language is that? Tato.
Sutru.
Sutru. Hey, you're looking pretty, man.
Thank
Nothing
you.
much. Otherwise, what kind of guys do you look for? What's your type?
That's my type.
Yeah.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Tall, dark, and handsome. Damn. So I don't meet the criteria.
Unfortunately not.
We can change that though. We can't.
Hey banna.
Because you asked me my type, I told you. This is what my type is.
But my personality though.
Oh, my darling. No.
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 Yeah. So tithanda uxoxe le type yakho khona ezayithetha mos. Asikacela omnye next. Omnye next. Khona ezayithetha le type yakho.
Okay, what's up? Okay, it's those avatar, those up.
No, it's jokes. I mean, I'm not her type mos, so it's that.
So undercover. So kwenzeka ntoni actually mna kancokole kanye like offside.
Siba kancokole yeah, offside, but I don't meet her criteria. I'm not her type.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you.
Nje yami na compare usisi lo no xa umrate umpha kubani cale points.
Points? Calm 7.
7. Okay. That's good. So ungajola 9.
Yeah.
Ungajola 9. Okay. Thato.
Hello.
Njani mfana?
All right.
Right ne. Cela umrate out of 10 umpha bani. Like be loyal yabo. Specific food. Umpha bani?
A 5.
5. Why?
Because I just said what my type is, ne? So
I realized that this is an
I didn't say you're ugly.
Just saying, just questions.
You're okay. You're not.
So no jola 9.
No.
niggas we crack.
Cool Thato ne.
Thank you.
Because I'm short.
But
I'm short. Singashilo party.
I tell you bu short face because na yakwazi yenza into enzo ngilando mde face.
Okay, Carl.
Okay, what? Yeah, okay. Mina ungajola naye.
Maybe if I knew his personality, who knows? But I still say that. I'm just saying maybe. It's not a thing, but it would happen if I knew his personality. But like, still, instead of some said, tall, dark, and handsome.
Okay.
Despite personality and everything.
Okay. What's start ne? Okay, you can say